We're here with the 48-inch Pro range, and that means convection oven, that means steam oven, that means warming drawer, and that means blue knobs.
So the blue knobs are beautiful.
They're
Blue
gorgeous.
is the new black.
Blue is the new black, I love it.
Absolutely. But we're also going to marry both your knob technology with our control panel. And because it's Wi-Fi connected, I can actually remotely start my oven. Or
right.
if I'm in one of my new recipes from Kitchen Stories, which is one of our partners, I can actually send the recipe temperature and cooking mode over to the oven directly from my smart tablet, phone, and I can monitor it on my Fitbit.
I love that. I love that. Because I cook very healthy at home. Maybe not so much when I'm not at home, but when I'm at home, I'm always kind of thinking about how can I, even myself as a professional chef, I want to cook quick, I want it to be healthy, and I want it to be ready right now.
Right.
Yeah. So this particular model, we've got the grill, we've got the griddle or flat top, star burners.
Beautiful star burners.
And I understand that star burners, they have more surface area and therefore get hotter than a traditional burner.
Yes, 56% more coverage on the bottom of the pan will give us a faster boil. And also, because of our technology of extra low.
Extra low.
We love extra low.
I love extra low.
Set it and forget it.
It's on for 7 seconds and off for 53 seconds.
That is amazing. You are so smart.
And the reason that works is, hold your hand up for me.
Oh, yes.
Let's say I'm a lighter,
yes.
and I hold this here. It's not very hot, but the heat will build up, and eventually you'll burn yourself. But if I go like this, and then like that, and then like this, and then like that, you'll never burn your hand.
Absolutely.
Or the food in the pot.
Or the food, so you don't have to go back and stir as often.
Yes.
So it really does take it to
I
a new level.
actually call that, when I'm showing people this, I call that crock pot mode.
It is.
Right?
Slow cook. It's set it and forget it.
Set it and forget it. Yeah, crock pot mode. Thermador, if you want to steal that, go ahead. You can have it.
Crock pot mode, I love it.
And then I love the steam oven, of course. So,
Love to talk about steam convection.
yep, so we've got the reservoir here, and then, if you were cooking asparagus, you just put it on the asparagus button.
And we
And
actually have those cooking modes right here in our steam program.
oh, check it out.
So we're going to be able to give you your vegetables that you want to cook, and you just tell it how much the weight is of the vegetable, and it will take the guesswork out of it for you. This is a custom hood. We've used our Thermador insert here, and one of our new partners is Google. So we have our Google Assistant, and we can actually ask Google to turn our fan and our light on.
Oh, I
or
love that.
Fan and light off.
Got it, because I cook with my hands, and my hands maybe they're dirty, and I don't want to be pressing the buttons and all that kind of stuff. So I can bump the door with my elbow, grab something out of that, turn on the hood without having to get my chicken juice all over the kitchen.
Exactly.
That's pretty cool innovation.
I love it.
I love that. Okay. And